channel. Today what I have for you is an origami box. It is quite simple and easy to make. You will need only one square sheet of paper and that's it. So let's start. Okay, so first off, if you have a white side on your paper like this one, then start with the white side on the bottom so that the finished model displays the color side. First step is to fold the paper in half diagonally. Open up and then fold in half on the other side. Open up and then turn to the other side and then fold in half vertically and horizontally. So now you should have this. The next step is to fold all four corners to the middle point, like so. So now we have this, and then fold these two edges to the center. Now, as you can see, we have these two corners folded in half. What you want to do is open them up like this. And now, without letting these corners escape, fold these edges to the center line. Close the paper like so. Now bring this edge up while opening these two sides, and to be able to do that you need to remake these two diagonal folds like so. As you can see, the paper sticks onto itself like that, and you have to repeat that on the other side. Again, making the diagonals. And for the last step, you need to fold these two corners inside the box, which will make everything lock in together. So from this second line, fold it inside the box and lay it down, and the same goes for this corner, like so. And just make sure that all four corners meet in the center, and you have yourself a box. As you can see, our box is finished. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and to see more origami content, please subscribe to my channel and consider giving this video a like.